I saw this table on Facebook Marketplace for $20 and I saw so much potential in the shape. We sanded down the top and discovered this beautiful mahogany grain. We'd planned to stain it but decided to just sand it with 220 grit and seal it in all its glory with an oil-based polyurethane. Next, we worked on covering up the random metal legs. To fit our budget, we glued wood sheets to connect the legs, then covered the legs only with half-inch dowels. We let the glue set, and then we used wood filler in the cracks, sanded it, and sealed it. I am in love with this dining table, and I am so happy with how our dining room is coming along. I'm so excited to host dinner parties around this table.